Now to the latest in the double murder investigation surrounding Aaron Hernandez. The former Patriots player was back in court today for a hearing in the Boston case, accusing him of killing two men 11 months before the murder of Odin Lloyd. Target 12 investigator Walt Buteau joins us now with the details.
Hernandez is facing two murder trials within the next year, and today his attorneys try to put a stop to any comments to the media about the murder trial in Boston. The accused killer grinned after walking into the courtroom and sitting next to his attorney, and with the victim's tearful relatives in the front row, Hernandez smiled a short time later.
To a fair trial.
His attorneys then called for a gag order, claiming the former football player has little chance of getting a fair trial, considering statements already made at a pair of district attorney news conferences.
I maintain those are extrajudicial statements that poison the potential jury pool, and we're trying to put a stop to it.
Some search warrants.
The judge took the motion for a gag order under advisement. This case is tied to this Boston double murder scene from June of 2012. Two men were shot to death. 3 others were injured. A search warrant affidavit indicates Hernandez was driving this SUV loaned to him by a Rhode Island car dealer when he allegedly fired at the victim's car. Documents also reveal 2 of the eyewitnesses were Rhode Island residents. The motive, according to prosecutors, is one of the victims spilled a drink on Hernandez. And investigators say Alexander Bradley was with Hernandez that night in Boston. But now Bradley claims Hernandez shot him about 7 months after the Boston double murder and about 4 months before the alleged murder of Odin Lloyd. The presumptive trial date for the case in Boston was set for next May. Meanwhile, tonight at 6, we'll talk about the scheduling difficulties of trying Hernandez in 2 different murder cases in 2 different counties. With the Target 12 investigators, Walt Buteau, Eyewitness News.